Welcome to GMats class. Now today we want to look at a question under inequalities. So let's look at the question we have here. Sketch the graph of the following inequality and show the region where the solution set lies. So we have 3x minus 2y less than or equals to 8. Now I will make y to be the subject of the formula. I have minus 2y is less than or equals to 8 minus 3x. So the next thing now is to divide through by minus 2 because I'm making y to be the subject of the formula. So when I divide the side of an inequality with a negative number, what happens is that this sign will change. So we have less than or equals to, so it will change to greater than or equals to because I'm dividing with a negative number. So if I divide this one by minus 2, I will have y is greater than or equals to, I'll divide this one by minus 2, 8 divided by minus 2 is minus 4. I will divide this one too by minus 2. So minus 3 divided by minus 2, that is plus 3 over 2x. So from here, you now get the boundary line. So we have y equals to minus 4 plus 3 over 2x is the boundary line. So from here now, the next thing is to get the points on the graph. So when x is 0, we find the corresponding value of y. So now we make an assumption when x is 0. So what's going to be y? So just substitute inside this boundary line. So y is equals to minus 4 plus 3 over 2 times 1. You have made an assumption that x to be 0. Okay, so 0 times this. So we have y is minus 4. So what we have now is 0, minus 4. So x will come first, followed by y. Okay, now the next thing is to make an assumption when y equals to 0. What's going to be the value of x? So now let's substitute. We have 0 equals to minus 4 plus 3 over 2x. So you can bring this one here. We have minus 3 over 2x equals to minus 4. So from here, you divide both sides by coefficient of x. That is minus 3 over 2. So we have x equals to minus 4 divided by minus 3 over 2. You must have divided this one by minus 3 over 2, so it will cancel this. So the second one is this. Alright, so from here you have x equals to minus 4 times 2 over minus 3. When you change division to multiplication, what happens? The sign changes and we move this numerator comes to denominator, denominator comes to numerator. So we have x equals to minus 8 over minus 3. So minus cancel minus. Alright, so and that is the same thing as 2 number 2 over 3. Or we say is equals to 2.6. Alright, so that is the value. So now we have x is what? 2 number 2 over 3, y is what? 0. So we now have the points. So from here, you can now put this on the graph and sketch the graph. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is 1, 2, we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so and so on. Now this is 0. So let's come in. When x is 0, y is minus 4. So this is the point. Y is minus 4. These are values of y. And y, this one values of x. So when y is 0, x is 2.6. 2.6 will be around this place. Okay, so you now join the points together. You use a ruler, straight ruler, to join the points together. So we have this. Okay, so that is the line. So now you have to look at the inequalities here. The inequality sign here. Now you can see that when we make y to be the solid of the formula, we have greater than. It's no longer less than. So that means the solution set is, when we have greater than, the solution set will lie at the top. Less than, the solution set lie at the base of the line, of this line drawn. So now in this case now, y is greater than, okay, so greater than, that means the solution set lies at the top here. So the unwanted part, you shade the unwanted parts. This is the unwanted parts. Alright, so this graph now is the graph of 3x minus 2y less than or equals to 8. Alright, so you can back up the solution by saying this is the region where the solution set lies. So this region is where the solution set lies. So we now have the solution set lies on the unshaded region R. So that is where the solution set lies. And that answers the question we have here. I want to believe you have learned one or two things. Thank you.